Bad sectors or bad blocks are portions of a storage device, be it hard disks, solid-state drive, or USB drives that have become unreliable for reading or writing. In this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to check and repair bad sectors on hard disk drives, solid-state drives, or USB drives. The first thing we are going to do is download the tool. Open your web browser and use the link that I have placed in the pinned comment. That link will take you straight to the official EaseUS Partition Master download page. When the page opens, you're going to see two options: the full version and the trial version. The full version is the complete package. It unlocks all the advanced repair tools, cloning features, and faster processing. So if you want the most reliable repair process, the full version is definitely worth it. But for the demonstration, I'm going to click on the trial version so you can follow along without spending anything. Open the downloaded file and save the installer. Now simply follow the setup steps by clicking Install on everything. After installation, EaseUS Partition Master will open. Give it a few seconds. It will automatically detect all your hard drives, SSDs, or USB drive that are connected. Look over to the left panel. You will see a section called Built-in Toolkits. Go ahead and click that. This area contains several tools powered directly by EaseUS. You will find a category called Disk Utilities. Under that, look for Bad Sector Scan. Click on it to open the scanning tool. Now here we'll see two scanning options: the Scan Disk, which lets you choose an entire physical drive, or the Scan Partition, which lets you choose a specific partition like drive C or drive D and select the exact disk or partition you want to analyze. Before starting, make sure you uncheck the quick scan option. We want a full deep scan because quick scans tend to miss problems that are hiding deeper in the drive. Scroll to the bottom and click the Start button. At this point, EaseUS will begin reading the entire surface of your drive. You'll see green blocks and possibly red blocks appearing on the grid. Green means good sectors, red means bad or damaged sectors. If you find a few red sectors, that usually indicates the drive has some damaged areas. Let the scan finish completely, and when it's done, on the right panel, you'll see a summary showing the total number of sectors and the number of bad sectors detected. Simply click Finish. That closes the bad sector test. Now that we have scanned the drive for physical issues, the next step is to repair any logical errors in the file system. Stay inside the built-in toolkit, and this time, click Check File System. A drop-down menu will appear. Choose the drive letter you want to repair, for example, whichever partition you tested earlier. Below that, make sure the option Try to fix errors if found is checked. Once that is done, click the Start button. As soon as you start the check, EaseUS will hand the repair process over to Windows built-in check disk engine. You will see text scrolling through as Windows checks and repairs the file system. If the drive is currently in use, you may see a message like "Check disk cannot run because the volume is in use by another process." If that appears, the software will automatically dismount the drive so that the repair can continue safely. When the process completes, you will see a final summary. If it says something like "Windows has scanned the file system and found no problems, no further action is required," then your partition is clean. If it reports fixed errors or any bad sectors detected at the file system level, Windows will mark those sectors so that the system doesn't use them again. That helps prevent future data corruption. Once the repair is finished, you can close the window, and that's it. Your drive has now fully been scanned and repaired.